Hi, this is Stacy, and in this video I will show you crafts for toddlers. The first idea is to make a shaker instrument. You will need a toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll. I have chose a toilet paper roll and I've covered it in paper, and you can have your child decorate it, that way it stands out better. After you've decorated it, you'll tape one side. And you'll need to make sure you have lots of tape so when you put the material inside it doesn't come out. You can use rice, beans, corn, anything that will make noise. I have corn and some sunflower seeds. I'm just going to pour them in there. You can put it however many you'd like. And then you're going to tape the other side. And now you have a shaker instrument that your child can play with. The next idea is really simple. It's an ice drawing. You will need construction paper and an ice cube. You can also freeze an ice in the trays so they have something to hold on so their hands won't get cold. This is perfect for a really hot day outside. You'll have your kid draw with the ice cube. Once it starts melting, it will work. They can make designs, and if you're outside, the sun will evaporate the water, so erase it, and they can just practice their letters or just anything on the paper. The last idea is coffee filter art. You will need washable markers, and you'll have your kid make a design. I've already taped it onto a newspaper, and just make any designs. But they do have to be washable. After you've made your design, you will get some water, and they can just throw it on there, or you can use a sprayer, and they will see how the colors blend together to make other designs.